Today, we're diving into one of the most critical battlegrounds of our digital world, cybersecurity. And right at the heart of this fight is a single technology that's both our greatest shield and our most dangerous weapon: artificial intelligence. So, to really get why AI is such a game changer here, you first have to understand the sheer scale of the problem we're facing. Every single day, security experts are up against more than 100,000 new malicious threats. Think about that. That's more than one new threat every single second. It's an absolute flood of danger that's just impossible for any team of humans to keep up with.
And it's not just the volume of attacks, it's the unbelievable speed. A human analyst, no matter how good they are, might take seconds, maybe even minutes, to spot and react to a threat. But an attack driven by a machine, that happens in milliseconds. Your entire network could be compromised in literally the time it takes you to blink. That speed gap, that's where the old ways of doing things just completely fall apart.
Which really brings us to our first big idea. We're all living in the middle of a digital flood. The old strategies of just building a wall and watching the gate, well, they just don't work anymore. Not when the threats are this numerous and this ridiculously fast. Okay, here's a good way to think about it. Traditional antivirus software, it's like a bouncer at a nightclub, right? And he's got a little photo book of known troublemakers. He can only stop the people he's seen before. But AI security, that's totally different. It's like having a behavioral detective inside the club, constantly watching, noticing when someone's acting suspiciously, and stopping the problem before it even starts. It doesn't need a photo, it understands behavior. And this is where AI steps in as the hero of our story. Well, for now, anyway. It's become our cyber guardian, a totally new line of defense that's actually built for this crazy, high-speed world. So how on earth does it actually work? Well, at its core, defensive AI doesn't waste time looking for a list of known bad guys. Instead, its whole job is to learn the unique rhythm of a network, to figure out what normal looks like for that specific company, that specific system. And once it knows what's normal, man, it can instantly spot anything that deviates from that pattern. You can pretty much break this whole process down into 4 simple steps. First, the AI just soaks up massive amounts of data from the network. Second, it uses all that data to build a really detailed picture of normal activity. Third, it's watching 24/7 for any little anomaly, anything that doesn't fit that normal pattern. And fourth, the second it sees one, it responds instantly to shut it down. So the bottom line is this: defensive AI works at machine speed, making decisions in microseconds. It's not just about reacting faster, it's about being so fast that it can stop a threat before any real damage is done. It's proactive, not just reactive. Sounds like the perfect solution, doesn't it? A tireless, lightning-fast guardian protecting us all? But here's the twist. What happens when that exact same intelligence, that same incredible power, falls into the wrong hands? And this, of course, brings us to the other side of the coin. The very same AI that's powering our best defenses is now becoming the attacker's greatest ally. It's the same weapon, folks, just pointed right back at us. There's this quote that just perfectly captures the problem we're in. The brilliant, adaptive intelligence that we are relying on for protection is now being used to create threats that are more clever, more evasive, and more dangerous than anything we have ever seen before. So how exactly are they using it? While they're building malware that can literally change its own code to avoid being detected, they're automating phishing scams that are so personal and so realistic, they're almost impossible to spot. They're setting AI loose to just hunt for new security flaws all on its own. And they're creating these massive armies of infected computers, botnets, that can launch attacks with terrifying coordinated intelligence. And if you look at where they're focusing their efforts, it's pretty clear. Almost half of all offensive AI is being used for phishing and social engineering, basically weaponizing AI to exploit human psychology. After that, you've got adaptive malware and automated hacking, and both of those are growing at a frightening pace. So this is the new reality. We are no longer in some simple game of attack versus defense. We are now caught in a never-ending AI arms race, a perpetual battle that's being fought entirely in code. And it's a constant cycle. For every move, there's a countermove. Our defensive AI gets better at spotting anomalies, so the offensive AI creates malware that learns how to look normal. We use AI to automatically patch holes in our security, so they use AI to find new holes even faster. It just goes back and forth, constantly escalating. And the result of all this?
An absolutely exponential increase in complexity. You can see here, the sophistication of the AI on both sides is just skyrocketing. The algorithms are getting smarter, faster, and way more autonomous, both for the good guys and the bad guys.
So why does any of this matter to you? Because your personal information, your company's private data, our critical infrastructure like power grids and hospitals, all of it is sitting right in the middle of this silent, invisible war. A war being fought every single millisecond by competing algorithms.
And that's really the key takeaway here. There is no finish line in this race. There's no magic bullet that's just going to win the fight for good. The new reality of cybersecurity is just constant, relentless evolution. The only thing we can be sure of is that tomorrow it will all change again. And that leaves us with one final, kind of unsettling thought. As this arms race keeps accelerating, and as